Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the beautiful rustic landscapes of Portugal, uncovering some truly incredible countryside homes, each priced under 100,000 euros and offering over 100 square meters of space. If you've ever dreamed of a peaceful rural retreat or a new lifestyle away from the rush, this might just be your ideal match. In today's video, we'll dive deep into why Portugal's countryside is attracting retirees and anyone looking for a better quality of life at a fraction of the cost in the US, the UK, Germany, or Australia. Imagine settling into a charming Portuguese village, savoring the local cuisine, and exploring the surrounding trails and vineyards, all while enjoying the benefits of Portugal's low cost of living and high quality of life. And let's not forget, Portugal has been consistently ranked as one of the safest and friendliest countries, making it an especially welcoming place for newcomers. Plus, with Coimbra and Porto nearby, you're never far from world-class healthcare, cultural experiences, and modern amenities. Coimbra, a historic university town, brings together an enchanting mix of medieval architecture and youthful energy, while Porto, known for its iconic riverside and lively cityscape, offers all the essentials plus a touch of Portuguese charm. Both cities are within reach, giving you access to the best of both worlds. Quiet countryside living with urban convenience close by. So, join me as we explore some fantastic homes that not only give you space, but also a real opportunity to create a new chapter surrounded by Portugal's natural beauty. I'll take you through each property and share exactly why these spots make for such a perfect retreat or investment for a new, more relaxed lifestyle here in Portugal. Let's dive in. Step into the lifestyle of quiet comfort and expansive views in this 4-bedroom villa nestled in Vale da Igreja, a peaceful escape just 1 hour and 27 minutes from Coimbra and 2 hours from Porto. Here, you'll have easy access to recreational activities while embracing the serene ambience of rural Portugal. This 3-story home boasts an impressive layout with a fully equipped kitchen, 4 inviting living rooms, and 2 bathrooms that cater to both family needs and entertaining spaces. Each of the 4 bedrooms is designed with comfort in mind, and the private garage and a small wine cellar add practical touches to this unique property. The balconies offer breathtaking, year-round views of the Sierra de la Estrella Mountains, where every season reveals a new landscape to admire and enjoy. The spacious 350 square meter villa sits on a 130 square meter plot, creating ample space both inside and out. Priced at 94,000 euros, $98,832, or £78,144. Scenic surroundings of Portugal's countryside. Discover a home that harmonizes the charm of countryside living with the convenience of nearby city life. Nestled in the peaceful village of Mangualde, this 3-bedroom house brings you within 1 hour and 22 minutes from Coimbra and just an hour and a half from Porto. Spanning 2 floors, the upper level is designed to make the most of your living space. With a cozy kitchen featuring a wood stove for an authentic touch, the open-plan living room offers ample space to gather, while 3 well-sized bedrooms and a full bathroom complete the main floor. Step out onto the terrace and take in the stunning views of the Sierra de la Estrella, a sight that changes beautifully with each season. The lower level offers all the practicality you could need, with generous storage rooms, a wine press area, and space to comfortably park 2 cars. Additionally, the property includes an annex complete with a second kitchen and a full bathroom, ideal for guests or even as a dedicated space for entertaining. Just 2 kilometers from the bustling center of Mangualde, you're close to essential amenities yet far enough to enjoy the tranquil pace of rural life. With 85,000 euros, $89,497, or £70,662, this 191 square meter home on a 270 square meter plot is a fantastic opportunity to immerse yourself in the beauty of the Portuguese countryside. With every convenience just minutes away, step into a refined blend of traditional Portuguese charm and modern comfort with this recently renovated villa in Figueiró dos Vinhos. Just 38 minutes from Coimbra and a little over 5 hours from Porto, this 3-bedroom home is designed to be both an inviting retreat and a stylish base for life in the heart of nature. This property welcomes you with an open kitchen and dining area, alongside a spacious storage room and a sleek, renovated bathroom. Winters will be cozy with a state-of-the-art pellet boiler providing efficient warmth, complemented by new double-glazed windows that keep the chill outside and the warmth in. One of the standout features here is the expansive terrace, where sweeping views of the lush landscape create a beautiful backdrop for moments of relaxation. Picture yourself here, taking in the surrounding scenery close to the tranquility of the Seia River. This proximity to the river means you're just minutes away from water activities, picnics, and outings with family and friends, adding a touch of adventure to your life in this serene setting. Situated just 5 minutes from the vibrant village of Figueiró do Vinhos, you'll enjoy convenient access to essential public and private services, blending the ease of town amenities with the peace of rural life. With €82,500, $86,865, or £68,642, this two-story, 148-square-meter villa offers the perfect harmony between rustic allure and modern amenities. Ideal for anyone seeking a timeless lifestyle with a touch of nature at their doorstep. Discover a serene escape in this inviting single-family home nestled in Rondo, Covilhã, just over 2 hours from both Coimbra and Porto. With 242 square meters of living space, this property is perfectly set up for those looking to embrace the quiet of village life without sacrificing comfort. Inside, you'll find 2 well-sized bedrooms with built-in wardrobes and a bright, welcoming living room that opens to an expansive terrace, offering an ideal spot to enjoy peaceful mornings or laid-back evenings. The kitchen comes equipped and partially furnished, with a door leading directly to the outdoor terrace, where you can easily access the attic. Here, 5 separate spaces provide exciting flexibility. Imagine crafting 2 or 3 additional bedrooms, a home office, or even dedicated storage areas, plus a full bathroom fitted with a water heater, set in a calm corner of the village with excellent sunlight throughout. This property also features a private patio that's brimming with possibilities. For €82,000, $86,323, or £68,226, this tranquil home offers not only a restful living environment, but also untapped potential to personalize the attic and patio. It's the kind of place where you can settle in and enjoy village charm, while still holding on to a sense of curiosity for what you might create next. Step into Casa do Padre Paixão, a charming manor-style property in the heart of Proença-a-Nova, surrounded by Portugal's beautiful Beira interior landscapes. Just over 2 hours from Porto and an hour from Coimbra, this residence offers a blend of quiet village life with access to historic cities and vibrant culture. Imagine the possibilities here, with 150 square meters of living space. Designed for comfort and flexibility, the main floor welcomes you with a traditional kitchen that feels like stepping into another time. Perfect for gatherings with family or friends. The spacious living room provides a cozy haven with unique architectural touches that add to the home's authentic character. From the hall, you'll access 4 bedrooms, offering plenty of room for family, guests, or the chance to create an office, library, or studio space. The attic level brings even more versatility, with 3 additional rooms that can easily become extra bedrooms, a playroom, or storage. Downstairs, a ground floor storage room is ideal for seasonal items or hobby equipment. The entire home is ready for you to move in or update with your own touches, creating an exceptional balance between livable comfort and investment potential. For €80,000, $84,218, or £66,540, this property is a rare opportunity to embrace the Portuguese countryside and a lifestyle rich in history and community. Whether you're planning a permanent move or looking for an investment in Portugal's beautiful interior, Casa do Padre Paixão stands ready to welcome you. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Portugal's hidden countryside gems. These properties really are special finds, and with prices like these, opportunities like this don't stay on the market for long. If you're ready to make a change or invest in a new lifestyle, the time is definitely now. And as a bonus, here are a few glimpses of some stunning houses under €150,000. If you'd like a full video covering these incredible properties, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to dive deeper. For those interested in taking the next steps, I've included all the links and contact info you need in the video description to help you get started. Don't forget to subscribe for more property insights from around Europe. There's always another hidden gem to discover. See you next time!